Kanye Mbao's gone under the knife again. The South African celebrity's latest transformation has sparked a frenzy online, with fans and critics alike weighing in on her new look. But what fueled the fire is the scrutiny she's facing. Is society too harsh on celebrity appearances? Kanye Mbao is no stranger to reinvention, constantly pushing boundaries and redefining herself. Her latest makeovers got everyone talking, and we mean everyone. But amidst the praise and criticism, a bigger conversation's brewing. Do we have the right to comment on public figures' bodies? The beauty standards debate's back, and it's getting messy. Some urge Kanye Mbao's choices are empowering, while others say she's conforming to societal pressures. What can be denied is the impact of social media on celebrities' mental health. The constant scrutiny, the judgmental comments, it's enough to drive someone crazy. But Kanye Mbao's not having it. She's owning her look, and that's what matters. Her confidence giving us life, and that's all that should count. As for the haters, maybe take a step back and think about the impact of your words. Love her or hate her, Kanye Mbao's unapologetically herself, and that's what makes her a true icon. Her latest transformation sparked a necessary conversation about beauty standards, self-acceptance, and the power of choice. What's your take on Kanye Mbao's new look?